slow service here.
Yes, they do, Jennifer. Yes, they do.
Why, hello there, dear children. Dear children, whatever. I am Jennifer. Jennifer something or other. I don't even know my last name. But I am too awesome. Oh no! Here they come! Ah! I'm in my evening gown!
It's me, Matt.
Get out of here! I'm in my evening gown! Stop! But I'm in my evening gown! John! Jennifer, who is this? This is Matt? Ah! What?
Oh no, this is all wrong.
Whoa! You're going down! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
And this kid.
I'm Jennifer!
We have Matt.
Does this finger smell weird to you?
Okay, next. 3.
It's so nice now that Matt folk has gone on vacation. Now I can have you all to myself.
Oh, wow.
Why am I already crying?
Oh, that's a good question. Why are you crying?
It's stuck.
What are you looking for? We're having some issues here. It's caught in the, it's caught in the dress.
John? What is the deal with men these days?
What's the deal with women these days?
I have hair in my mouth.
It's not coming. Here.
Those are some lovely locks, Jennifer.
I know. Jennifer, you know Matt would be mad if he was watching this, you know.
But John, I thought you loved me.
Just kidding.
Why? I don't really know what I'm supposed to say, you know?
And you don't want us to know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Not working, guys.
Here she comes. Driving down the road. And of course she goes up that street. Of course, what else is new? Look who showed up.
You should have got me. Can we go back?
Look, people.
But not
There's a
Kylie.
CD there.
It is a true Prindle. It's a Prindle.
Let's go get my tennis racket and just like chuck it at them.
What?
How's it? Why did you do that?
Mine! That made a really cool sound.
It did.
And you're recording that, which is not cool.
Prindle. It's a Prindle. Austin, look at this. It's the first ever Prindle I've ever seen.
This?
Like, well, what are you trying to say?
It's all the raid, man. Wearing a dress.
I don't know.